Well, listen, this morning a man has died. 3 others are hurt after this bad crash. It happened just blocks away from the White House. Police say the man killed was in the crosswalk when he was hit. The car then crashed into 4 other vehicles. Now, the driver tried to get away, but was quickly arrested. MPD's Internal Affairs Division is now looking into whether or not the driver had actually taken off from MPD officers just before this crash happened. Now, it's raising questions about road safety, even as new data shows traffic deaths are actually going down in D.C. Let's go straight out live to 7 News reporter John Gonzalez for more on this crash and the push to bring down traffic deaths in D.C. even more. John, good morning.
That's right, Adam. Good morning. Traffic fatalities have dropped 8% nationwide, an even greater drop here at home. But then you have tragedies like what we saw here last night. This is the intersection of 16th and L Streets. You can see the absorbance still on the street here from the cleanup. The roads have reopened, but the impact of what happened is still being felt. So police say 4 vehicles collided and a pedestrian was killed here. 3 others were seriously injured. A bike was also involved. The driver of the speeding, striking vehicle tried to run away from the scene, but was stopped and arrested by police. Now, this tragedy comes as new data shows traffic deaths in the D.C. region have fallen back to pre-pandemic levels. That's good news. 25 total traffic deaths last year, down from 52 the year before, but incidents like this reminds us that even though we are having fewer deaths, that doesn't mean safe streets. Pedestrians and cyclists still make up a large share of these fatalities. City activist Terry Lynch says we can do a lot better.
Pedestrian safety and traffic safety revolves around 3 things: education, engineering, and enforcement. And I think everybody knows who's driving into our pedestrians here is we have a number of very unsafe drivers. We are seeing a lot of people who have a lot of outstanding tickets, thousands of dollars of outstanding tickets.
Officials say traffic calming measures, redesigned intersections, and automated enforcement are making a difference. But now the federal government is pushing to eliminate all red light and speed cameras here in the district.